Hey, how's it going, pal? What's up, pal? Yeah. Hey.
I love you guys.
All right, now we're moving on to the 4th's family. Again, if you have not seen the 2nd's family, I strongly suggest that you go back to that because I get into real deep detail of how you do this in your head. The 4th's families are fun because everybody can relate to the 4th family because I tell kids to relate it to money, 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 money. I know you like my singing. Don't be jealous. Okay, and of course, you can say how many families, how many fractions are in the 4th family. And there are 7. No, just kidding. There are only 4 families. And they are 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, and of course me, 4/4. So technically, there are only 1, 2, 3 proper fractions, and then me. And as we know, 4 divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 is 1 whole. And you move 2 butt cheeks to the right or multiply it by 100, and I am always 100% or $1. Haha. Now, is there any family members? We only did the 2nds and we only have done the 3rds. But is that out of those 2 families, is there a family that can be related to the 4ths? The answer is yes. The 2nds. Which one in particular? This one doesn't look good. This one doesn't look good. There's an even number over an even number. So what factor can go into both 2 and 4? Well, the answer is 2. If we take 2 divided by 2, that would equal 1. And if we do what we do to the top, we have to do to the bottom. So really, we're dividing it by 2 halves. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And there is 1/2, which we should already know is 5/10. Multiply it by 100 or move it 2 butt cheeks and fill in the empty butt cheek, and you have 50%. Now, let's go up to 1/4. We could start out by saying 4 can't go into 1, but 4 can go into 10 by adding a 0 2 times. Or, like I said before, you can relate it to money. You can say, what is 1/4 of a dollar? And most kids would say a quarter. And how do you write a quarter? Or 25 cents? Well, that would be a decimal, a 2, and a 5. Better known mathematically as 25 and the place value, hundredths, 25 hundredths. Same thing with 3/4. How many times can 4 go into 3? No, add a 0. How many times can 4 go into 30? 7 times. Well, that's a little bit harder. Or just say 3/4 of a dollar is what? That would be 7 quarters. Or 7, geez, you'll Pete, 3 quarters. And how much money does 3 quarters make? Well, that would be 75 cents. Or better known mathematically as 75, place value, hundredths, 75 hundredths. Now, let's convert 1/4 or 25 hundredths into a percent. So you can either multiply this by 100 or move the butt cheeks to the right twice, and that would make it 25%. And now let's go to 3/4 or 75 hundredths. Well, we take 75 hundredths, we can multiply by 100, show it on paper, or do it in your head, and move the butt cheeks twice. 2 butt cheeks represents 2 zeros and a 1 always in front. That would be 100. 1, 2. And that would make it 75%. And that, my friends, are the 4th's family. And always remember, I'm number 1. Ha!
Well, I hope you learned a lot about the 4ths from me, Mr. Awesomeness. Lost a little weight over here. Getting a little chubby right here. Ooh. Ooh. I'm glad there's no boogers in my nose. Anyway, back from popular demands. You know, kids.
You're getting on my nerves. 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 And let me tell you that my room is my room. I'll pick up my stuff under the bed, under the rug, out of sight is up. I think that we both have had enough. These four walls to confine. I'm on yours, you're on mine.
See you tomorrow.